What is happening here? I don't know. That's weird. There's all kinds of weirdness going on here. Welcome back. We are getting in on a Rambox custom cap today. And we're going to go over some things on why these are slightly more expensive than like a normal treehouse or cap. Why we have to charge that extra for the design. You know, we've had a lot of people interested in the Rambox design, and they hear the price and are like, whoa! I feel you. I get that way too. It is a lot of money. But the thing with the design for the Rambox, it's not the design itself that makes it complicated. It's fabricating the design and the amount of metal and the amount of material and the amount of time that goes into that. Like, these get a lot of weird stuff just to make them work with the system of the Rambox. And I understand why a lot of other companies haven't jumped on board with that. It is a lot different than a normal truck. So in this video, we're going to go over some of those things and highlight why our Rambox design is much more expensive. So here we go. So far I have just the tops welded all the way around, but not on the inside. I'm getting ready to do the welds on the legs to the actual extrusion itself. Some things I want to highlight is, first weird thing we have to do is build these templates. They basically hold these legs in position to each other, because when you're welding, things are going to move. So if we kind of lock them in so they stay the size opening that they need to stay, that's going to help us out in the long run. Now just wait till you see the inside rail design for this. It is so much welding. I don't even know what to say. It's just freaking crazy. So as we go in on this, we'll start to see some of the changes that we've had to make for this Rambox design. Yeah, I think this looks pretty close to that. Yeah. Alright, so we have the base all welded up, and we got it back on the table the other way around, which I guess is the right side. We got a clamp to these bars to help hold these legs where they need to go. And now we're going to start setting these bars in, which locate it around the Rambox. As I hope you saw from the time lapse, this is officially done up top. We still need to flip it over and weld some stuff, but it is now a Rambox treehouse. This being only the third one of this style that we've made, there's still been a few things while going actually into fabrication, from taking the design from SolidWorks and actually putting it in production. There's some changes that I haven't exactly nailed down in the design on SolidWorks. So you probably saw me cutting some stuff back here on these flanges. Just some things I haven't dialed in yet on SolidWorks, but it works perfectly good in practice. Some things to note on this ram box design: the tolerances are extremely tight, very tight. So basically, to make this fit, we need to hit a number, and I like to give myself a 1/16 aside, which is probably not enough, but basically this dimension between that guy and that guy needs to be like
52.
3/4. That's another reason why these are so challenging to build. It's very strange compared to our normal setups. Basically, it's a ram box cap with an extended front section for storage. It's extended super long. Right now I'm in the process of cutting out lights, holes for lights. That's what all these are for. I have yet to do this side or the back, so I guess we'll do some video and all that. This is using the ramtrucks factory third brake light. It has 1 camera, 2 camera for various things, and the third brake light built in with the light as well. So he has lights, third brake light, and 2 cameras back here. We thought that was pretty cool. We kind of Frenched it in, the extrusion as best we could. And then over here, cut out some molly panels. They're gonna go fasten to the doors on the inside once we get it back from powder, and that'll be final assembly time.